Question 32 is about classification into primary, secondary, or tertiary. So it depends on the atom whether it is connecting to one methyl group, we call it primary. If it is connecting to two methyl group, we call it secondary. If it is connecting to three methyl group, and then we call it tertiary. But for different compound, we look at different atom. For the amine, we look at the hydrogen of the amine. For the alcohol, we look at the carbon connecting to the hydroxide group. So for this amine, okay, we look at the nitrogen. It is connecting to one big methyl group, so it is primary amine. But for this hydroxide group, the carbon connecting to it is connecting to three methyl group, 3R, so it is a tertiary alcohol. So the answer is D. Thank you.